let us start with a new topic, that is expected questions of number system that contains 10 mark in the exam. So now first question is 0.6 bar. So how I can solve this? Let x equal to 0.6 bar. So that will be 0.666 and it will continue. So this I am giving as one number. Now multiplying both sides by 10, I will get 10x equal to 6.666 dot dot dot. So this is second number. Now 2 minus 1, that is I am subtracting first equation from 2. So that implies 10x minus x equal to 6.666 minus 0.666. So 9x equal to 6. So x equal to 6 upon 9, that is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, x equal to 2 by 3 is my required answer. Now, the next one says 0.001 bar. So again I will be doing that. Let x equal to 0.001 bar. So this will be equal to 0.001001 and so on. So this I am giving one number. Now multiplying both sides by 100. So 100x equal to 0.1001. So still I am not matching with that. So I will multiply now more with 10. So 1000x will be 1.001001. So this I will be taking as 2 number. Now 2 minus 1 implies 1000x minus x equal to 1.001 dot 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 minus 0.001 dot dot dot. So 999x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 upon 9099. So that is the required answer. Now next question says, write some numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Here he can twist the question also, like write the uh, decimal expansions of non-terminating, non-recurring number between the given two numbers. So here numbers are not given, so I can write anything. So I can write 0.030030003 dot dot dot. You have to see that number should not end and it should not repeat after the proper place. So 0.21221222 like that. I can have even 0.82588 like that. I can have any numbers. Now third pattern of question can be classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Now here first he has given root 23. We know that root 23 we can't split and take out of root. So I can directly say it is irrational number. Now the second one is root 225. So if I take root of 225, it will be exactly equal to 15. And 15 I can show as 15 upon 1. That is, I can write it in the form of P by Q. So it is a rational number. Third one is 0.3796. See, 3796 upon 1 and 4 zeros, if I put, it will be in P by Q form. So this is nothing but a rational number. Now, the next one is 7.478478 dot dot dot. So it is not ending. So I can directly say it is irrational. I can directly say it is an irrational number. Now next question says write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First is 36 upon 100. So this I can directly say it will be 0.36 and it is a rational number and it is also a terminating number. Then B1 is 1 upon 11. So here if I don't know 1 upon 11 division, so I need to divide it. So on side I am showing you the division 1 divided by 11. So it won't work. So point and 0. So now 0 came. So still it is not working. So one more 0 and 9. So 99, again 1 came. So again 2 zeros, so 1 0 here. Again 99, so 1. So that means this is repeating continuously. So I can say 0.090909 dot dot dot, or I can say 0.09, and it will be repeating number. Then third one is 4 integer 1 by 8. So this will be nothing but 33 by 8. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. This I can do like this. If I multiply both with 125, I will get in denominator 1000 and this will be 4125 upon 1000. So that will come as 4.125. So this will be terminating number. Now next question says rationalize the denominator. First is 1 upon root 7. So here 1 upon root 7, to make it rationalize I have to multiply by the conjugate. So root 7 upon root 7. So that will be root 7 upon 7. So that is my answer. I have rationalized the denominator. Now B1 in that is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. So this also I have to multiply by conjugate. So root 5 minus root 2. Conjugate means I have to just change the sign of the denominator and multiply it with that. So this will be root 5 minus root 2 in the numerator upon, here in the denominator it will be x plus a, x minus a. So it will be x square minus a square. So that is nothing but I can say I have used a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square formula. Now, so this will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2. So that will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Now, the C1 says 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 minus 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. So here I need to do 2 times the conjugate of the number. So I am doing both of them. So 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2 minus 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. So this will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2 minus root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2. So this will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 3 minus root 3 plus root 2 upon 1. So now if I rationalize the denominator, or I am making the denominator equal, so it will be root 5 minus root 2 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 2. So this will be root 5 minus, see now root 2, 2 times are there. So I can say minus minus plus. So 3 plus 1 will be 4 root 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 3. Now next is simplify. The first one says 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. So I can directly write it like that. 2 raised to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Why? Because a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus 1. So this will be 2 raised to, here I will have LCM 15, so 10 plus 3. So that will be 2 raised to 13 upon 15. Now B1 in that is 1 upon 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. So this is nothing but it is a raised to 1 upon a raised to b equal to 1 raised to b upon a raised to b. I am using this identity. So this will be 1 raised to 7 upon 3 cube whole raised to 7. So this will be 1 upon 7, 1 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 21. How 21? Because I have used the identity a raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. Powers power. So this will be 1 raised to 7 will be 1 and 3 raised to 21. So I can say 1 upon 3 raised to 21. Next, third one is 11 raised to half upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. So here I can use the identity a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So using that identity, this will become 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now 11 raised to LCM is 4, so 2 minus 1. So that will be 11 raised to 1 by 4. So final answer came as 11 raised to 1 by 4. Then fourth one, it is 7 raised to half into 8 raised to half. So here I will be using the identity a raised to b into c raised to b equal to ac whole raised to b. That is, power is common, power is same, but the bases are different. So I have to just multiply the base and whole raised to power. So here 7 eights are upon 1 by whole raised to 1 by 2. So now 7 multiply by 8 if I do, I will get 56. So that will be 56 raised to half. Now next question is represent on number line. So I am given root 2, root 3, root 5. So all the three I am doing on the same number line. Suppose this is the number line which I am given now, or which I have made. Now this is my 0, this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3. Now first one is root 2. So at 1 what I will do, at 1 unit from 0 to 1 I will make 1 unit, and then perpendicularly at 1 I will make a perpendicular line of the same measurement, that is 1 unit. So its measurement is 1 unit and this is perpendicular. Now I will join these 2 points. Let me say this as 0, this is A, so this is B. So OB is root 2. Now to represent that with rounder at O, I will keep here the rounder tip and I will bring the, so this will be 1 root 2. With rounder at O, I have kept the tip at the rounder O and the arc should be OB, and I have made it till it reaches this point. Now, for root 3, again I will make 1 unit here. For root 3, I will make at root 2 1 unit. So this is 1 unit, whichever unit I am taking. Now again with O, I will join that and I will draw it like this. So this will be my root 3, this point. Let it be C. Now, for root 5, I can directly also draw. Okay, suppose this is the number line on which I want to show. This is my 0, this is my 1, this is my 2. Now, if I take 2 units in the bottom, that is base I am taking as 2 unit and I am taking perpendicular of 1 unit. This is 1 unit. And I am joining these 2 points. Let me say O, A, and B. So OA will be my root 5. Now if I keep the rounder point at O and OA is the radius and I am doing like this, so I will get root 5. So this point is my